Okay, good morning. All right, we're going to go ahead and do exercise 3, day 152. We're getting close to the end. Let's persevere so we can get through with this. Okay, on page 343 and the top of 344, it wants you to do some graphs. It is important for you to know how to do them because it does take a special skill to do it, but I'm not going to waste my time right now with it. I want you to do the mixed review. We're having trouble with what you learned with basic math. Okay, so graphs aren't necessarily basic math, but so I do want you to know how to read them. To make them is a different story. So on the back, where it's mixed review, starts at number 2. Why does that say number 2? That should be number 4. Where it says mixed review, number 2, that should be number 4. I don't know why they did that. Nonetheless, okay, so 4, 5, and 6 are addition and subtraction of fractions. Now, I'm going to help you with number 4. All right, it's because I know you'll miss it. 8, whole number 8 minus 17 over 21. Now, you know we have to have common denominators when we subtract. Oh my gosh. That's not much better. Got to have common denominators, but before we get common denominators, we got to get a fraction. Okay? You remember how to get a fraction. Now, this part I think you'll probably remember. Now, we don't need a whole number here. That's just 0. I mean, you don't need one. If you have one, fine. If you don't, that's fine too. But you do have to have a fraction. So what we're going to do is we're going to change this to a 7. But we can't just make it a 7. It still has to equal 8. Well, 7 and a fraction, the same over the same, would be 8. So we're going to use 21 over 21. Okay, 7 and 21 over 21 is 8. It equals 8. So we did not change our amount. You can't just change the amount. You've got to give it or take it or, change it to where it's the same number. It means the same thing, but just in a different form. So 7 and 21 over 21 is the same as 8. Now, we don't have that. It's going to be our fraction here because there's nothing there. So we're just going to take this and bring it over. Okay, there's no whole number, so we're just going to bring this over. Our things are the same. That's how you'll set it up. Now I want you to finish it. Make sure you simplify it. Number 5 and 6, they're just addition. Make sure they have common denominators. Those look like very simple fractions. You should get those right. Just make sure they have common denominators. Number 7, 20% of 435 of means times. Then you got to make 20% into a decimal by moving the decimal 2 places to the left. So it's going to be 0.20 times 435. Number 8, please get it right. Please get it right. You can check it with a calculator to make sure you get it right. If you don't get it right, redo it. Just keep doing it until you get it right. You got to get long division. If you can get long division down, I'll be so happy. Well, number 9 says use multiplication to check problem number 8. You use your calculator. Okay, and then I know you can do number 10. You don't have any trouble there. Okay, all right, so that then is all for today.